Here's another vintage arc welder. I buy and sell quite a lot of old tools, and I keep what I want and pass on again what I don't need. And I got this one the other day. It's a Handyweld. It's very small and it claims to do 180 amps. It's got a wooden frame and this kind of fiberboard insulating stuff. It's made in Hastings, New Zealand. It's very heavy. It's got a funny electrode holder and these plugs. They work high, low, and then try it on 180. So it's a funny little electrode holder. Put it in and twist it to get it tight. Yeah, I just want to have a look inside. It's got a fairly heavy duty looking transformer. It's pretty small though. It's only one layer for the secondaries. I don't know if that's a repair or not. It's string holding it. Yeah, and these are wood. It's pretty clean there. There's the 240 volt connection. I just soldered together. I don't know what the duty cycle will be like on this. I don't think it's very good. Now the arc wants to go out often. It's got a bit of power though, but yeah, the arc went out a few times. Put the flux off. That's pretty hot already. Yeah, that's really hot. Chipping up. It does quite a nice weld, but yeah, the arc went out about 3 or 4 times. You got to really shove the rod in there to, like, it's a really short arc. I don't think the voltage is really high enough, but that's pretty good weld. It's plenty hot. I'll try it on 3.2mm rods. I don't think it's going to work very well with these. It actually works pretty well then. It's starting to glow. it's got a really bad duty cycle that's extremely hot. You can't touch that. It's not bad. But yeah, you can barely burn one rod and then it gets hot.